guys, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Matrix. Hey, have you ever wondered if it is possible for us to travel from one galaxy to another faster than the speed of light? The answer is yes. But the bad news is that it is just theoretically possible. We just know the mathematics behind it, as it is not possible with the current technology we possess. So, one of the theoretically possible answer is wormhole. For the long period in the history of science, we have considered the concept of time and space in very simple manner, considering that everything experiences the time in similar way, and space was considered as a flat stage where event takes place, without having any effect on space and time. But the view towards the space and time was completely changed by the revolutionary idea of Albert Einstein when he introduced the concept of general relativity. The general relativity states that the space and time are relative and it depends on the observer, and the space and time is interwoven. It creates a stage for the event to take place. And unlike the old concept of space, the new concept states that we can consider the framework as a fabric of space and time which can stretch and warp. The fabric of space and time have the property to be torn and patched up, which gave rise to the concept of wormhole. So, where can you find a wormhole? And the answer is on the piece of paper, as until now we haven't found or created any. As general relativity says it is possible, but relativity is a mathematical and theoretical subject, so it does not mean it should be existing in a real universe. So let's see if there is any possibility of creating an entrance for a wormhole or any naturally occurring wormhole. One way is considering a black hole as a type of one-way passage, as we know that the mass creates a curve in the space-time. So, as the object is compressed, the space-time curve becomes more and more deeper, and as it reaches its limit, it collapses into a black hole. The black hole's event horizon acts as a barrier, which means everything that passes through event horizon can never escape it, and it is trapped in the singularity. This is the one point of view of seeing it, but it can also be possible that the other side of the black hole there exists another universe similar to ours, and the laws of physics work differently. That means after passing in a black hole, it may come out of a white hole where time is reversed and physics is different. I am not saying that they exist, but it may be a possibility. Here I use the term white hole. It is opposite of the black hole, means it throws everything out of it unlike black hole. But passing through it, it is impossible, as it would require infinite amount of time mathematically to pass. It is not only the restriction, but as we move more closer to the black hole, then our body would experience different amount of gravitational pull at different part of the body. This would stretch the body and tear it into pieces. This phenomenon is called as spaghettification. So, black hole is not the option currently for us to travel space and time. Therefore, we required another option. Many physicists suggest that the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxies are actually wormholes. Now, question is, can we create a wormhole? Let's see what are the problems created by a black hole should be avoided to create one. First is, it should not have event horizon, as it would allow only one way passage. Second is, it should connect two different locations in space-time. Third, it should be a wide passage enough for a human to pass or a robot for investigation. And the fourth most important problem is to keep the wormhole open continuously, as gravity would continuously try to pull it to close it. Another theory about wormhole is given by string theory, which states that shortly after Big Bang due to quantum fluctuations may have created many wormholes. This may be a good news, but if it is true, then they need to be discovered. So these are the ways in which wormhole could be created or may have been naturally created. But we are lagging far behind the technology of doing so. Who knows, we could find any in the future, but it is still a dream. I would be posting such interesting videos in future. If you want to know more interesting stuff, please subscribe my channel Matrix and please press the bell icon for notification. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.